Hi, everyone. Thanks for logging on to WBIR.com. Stay weather alert on a day like today and on a week like this week because that wet weather pattern really is setting up shop. The Storm Prediction Center has actually put us under a marginal risk for strong to severe thunderstorms today. I think maybe one or two possible, but we've got a saturated atmosphere, and so really that's going to lead to the threat of locally heavy rainfall through the day. You can really see how this moisture is going to get pumped in. 3:30 this afternoon, kids heading home from school, spotty showers, so it's going to be waves of showers and rumbles of thunder throughout the day today. That's going to be with us for the evening rush hour, dinner time, and bedtime tonight as well. Highs will be in the 70s and low to mid 80s, but high humidity, so still the valley location is going to be pushing close to 90 degrees for how it feels outside, and it looks like that wet weather pattern sticks with us as well. Here's your 7-day forecast. Because of the increased clouds and chance for rain, temperatures come down. So we'll be right around 80 degrees Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, rebounding nicely as high pressure builds its way back in for the weekend. But look at this. If you have any sort of travel plans around the region, I mean, we are looking at incredibly wet weather around much of our area. So we'll keep you posted on that. In the meantime, have a great day. Enjoy your week. Be safe out there.